Yo guys, welcome to my vlog 23 Years Young, where I'm trying a whole bunch of shit I've never done before. My name is Meredith, and today we're riding a bird. See you.
Chris Paul, I'm assistant. I'm here, go Blake Griffin. 48 minutes. We gon' fuck distance. Catch a around the tree.
Yo guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's good to see you. I'm currently on my way to Santa Monica because I've got a photo shoot tonight as an assistant, actually, for the first time, so that's cool. I'm on my way to Santa Monica also to, as you already know, ride a bird for the first time. For those that are confused, bird is an electric scooter that you can ride around from A to B, and all you need to do in order to access them is have the bird app. And so you scan the barcode that's on the scooter, and then you get to take it and use it for the time that you please. And you have to pay like a very small amount of money. Super cool idea. I've never ridden one before, and so I wanted to give it a try because I've never done it. Let's get going, and I'll see you on the bird. You know what I'm saying? All right, yo guys, I'm here in Santa Monica, and got a bird, so let's go have some fun, and I'll be sure to give you my thoughts and suggestions after we're done. So let's have a good time. Peace. All right, yeah, man, dude, these things are sick. You feel like you're just flying. They go pretty dang fast, and hey, just don't forget to wear a helmet. All right, let's keep going. Right, so these things are sick, dude. I really like the bird. The app is actually really easy to use. It's just like Uber basically, except with an electric scooter. You just input your credit card information. It's very easy to just scan it and go. Great things. Great day on the bird. 10 out of 10, recommend. All right, I gotta go. Cheers.
Chris Paul, I'm assistant. I'm here, go Blake Griffin. 48 minutes. We gon' fuck distance. Catch a around the tree. Chris Paul, I'm assistant.
Yo guys, thanks for watching my vlog, 23 Years Young. I really appreciate your eyeballs, so go ahead and give me your thumbs, you know what I'm saying? Hope you guys got something out of this video. If not, I hope you were just entertained as fuck. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really goes a long way, really it does. Man, this is getting hard. But hey, until tomorrow, my name is Meredith, and I'll see you tomorrow. Got a blast! Man, dude, if you haven't tried one of these things, you're missing out, man. You're missing out. We gotta fly, birds. We gotta fly.